Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files into one single document to keep your files organized and professional without needing expensive software. Step 1. Choose your tool. While there are many ways to do this, the most universal and free method in 2026 is using a web-based tool like I Love PDF or Small PDF. Open your browser and navigate to a trusted PDF merger site. These tools are great because they work on both Windows and Mac without requiring an installation. Simply look for the button that says Merge PDF on the home page to get started. Step 2. Upload and arrange your files. Once you're in the Merger tool, you need to bring in the documents you want to combine. Click the Select PDF Files button, or simply drag and drop your files from your computer folder directly into the browser window. After the files upload, you'll see thumbnails of each document. This is the most important part. You can click and drag the thumbnails to reorder them. Make sure they are in the exact sequence you want them to appear in the final document. Step 3. Merge and download. Now that your pages are in order, it's time to create the final file. Click the large Merge PDF button at the bottom right. The tool will process the files into a single document. Within a few seconds, a Download Merged PDF button will appear. Click it to save the new, combined file to your computer. Always open the final file once to double check that the page order is correct before sending it off. And that's pretty much it. To merge PDFs, head to a free online merger tool, upload your files, and drag them into the correct order. Once you're happy with the sequence, hit merge, download your new document, and you're all set with a single, organized file. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.